Let's all get on the ball and work together. Come on, let's work together. Hey now people, because together we will stand.
I'm Jude from Visions PR 2011. I work for the publicity, the public relations team. Now my work is quite hectic to say the least. We have to do a lot of calls. Mainly it's like a call center, you could say that. There are many students who take part in Visions every year. Last year alone we had more than, you could easily say, 1,000 participants in over various events.
Dhwani Patel, and I belong to the marketing committee of Visions. Okay, I belong to the marketing committee of Visions. Being a core, it's a lot of hectic work, taking risk. We are working hard as a marketing team to get the best sponsors that can creatively align with us for all the youth-oriented programs and events that we're gonna have. So we're just gonna make it more exciting and larger for ourselves.
Basically, this year Creative Arts are planning to have something very big in stock for Visions. Here we can see all our volunteers working on various aspects like the brochure, the things that are supposed to be put up in the brochures, the tags which are to be given to the participants that come in. But basically, talking about our events, one of the greatest attractions that Visions will have this year is Mafia Wars. The name itself suggests that this game has something really big in it.
What doesn't matter in this life?
Art and Decor is basically a creative forum for creative people. We believe in creative minds, and so we are a group of creative people. So there's basically a lot to do in Art and Decor, and we've always believed in the best. So this year again we aim to do our best at what we are for.
And yeah, there are many things, like many creative ideas which are coming up, and we are going to, it's going to beautify the college. So Art and Decor is basically going to do that.
Hello, this is Arfaz Sheikh, co-for stage management, Visions 2011. फिलहाल काम बहुत ज़्यादा है, टाइम बहुत कम है. We'll give our best. Planning सब कुछ चालू है.
This is Nishad Menon, co-core for stage management. काम है ज़्यादा और हम लोग manage कर रहे हैं.
Hey, hi guys, this is Raylon, core for Shields or Security. We basically give crowd manage. We basically manage the crowd everywhere in the college. During the fest, it's only we guys who manage the crowd.
Because together we will stand, every boy, every woman, and man.
Hey, this is Nirman here. I am the co for Informals. Let's talk to some of my people. Aman.
Yeah, we have various departmental events coming under one roof in Informals.
I'm looking forward for LMS. It's like a Big Boss event where 12 participants will be inside the room, captured by cameras and mics. I'm looking forward for that event.
Hi, I'm Shruti. I'm from Informals, and my favorite event is Face Off and LMS.
Yeah, there are events like Gunmaster Gogo where it's like a target shooting.
Hi, I'm Brian. I'm taking care of events like photography and short film making.
LMS, peace.
Peace? So, in short, Informals के लिए क्या है? What do you expect from Informals this year?
A lot of participants from various colleges.
I can say, hi, I'm Varna Chandran, the president for the core committee of our College Fest. On behalf of the core committee, hi, I'm Varna Chandran, the president for our College Fest. On behalf of the core committee, I welcome you all to Visions 2011, Dreams Unleashed.